Hello and welcome to the final lesson of this course in which we'll export our creation. As you see, we've finished the coloring and inking of our clothes and we've prepared a final decoration for the background of our doll. We set a name, a title, and added a couple of things. Like, for example, what I'm going to do now with the polygonal lasso. Today is some more color in our drawing and fill it a bit. So once it's ready and we're satisfied with the results, what we're going to do is export it. How? Okay. So let's hit File. Oh, this there. The dotted line has gone off place. I have to move it just 1 second. Select it and using Command T, I move it so it fits the ears where it should be. Perfect. All right, solved. So, as I was saying, we have everything ready. We have our tabs, we have our little windows. So let's transform it first to CMYK because it was made in RGB, and you'll see that it'll suffer a noticeable change when the colors turn duller. So what happens? The colors have to adapt it to the standard color inks. So in order to do this, note that we're using coated Fogra 27 color profile. We're going to use some kind of illumination and saturation filter, so we adapt it a bit to the tone we want. Clicking here, all these options appear. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to raise contrast and brightness. And we'll obtain something similar to what we had at the beginning with the RGB. And actually, if we check the proof colors, we can see they're exactly the same. And this would be the result of converting from CMYK to RGB. Let's export it, save it as a PDF, which is the file type that gives you the optimal resolution for printing. You can find it here, PDF. Let's hit Save and select the high quality print preset. Let's uncheck the editing capabilities and save PDF. And well, this way we'd have our file ready for printing. Here, as we can see, have our doll, which fits perfectly in all the clothes and accessories, and you can alternate them. I leave the PDF file for you to print if you want to see how it looks. And well, I'm glad you finished the course. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.